still pending a search warrant for his person.
All right, let's bring in our special guest this hour. We have Alexis Rosenberg and former prosecutor Jeffrey Gold. Alexis Rosenberg is a trial attorney. Let me start with you, Alexis, and tell me what you think, because this, with the video, with the law enforcement detailing very specific appropriate steps they took in their investigation, it is very hard to imagine that a jury is going to say this particular defendant is not the person who committed these two crimes.
Judge, I agree with you, but the prosecution does have an obligation to still establish that he was there. That was who was the person that the police saw on the scene. They do have that obligation, so they do have to go through the process and put that before the jury.
You can see that the person on the video shoots the ex-girlfriend in the face and then shoots the new boyfriend, Matt Champagne, and then goes back and shoots the girlfriend 2 more times. I think that sometimes can arguably take away from the heat of passion and make it seem more purposeful.
I think we have a real problem with heat of passion for that reason, as well as the fact that they broke up 6 months ago. This isn't, we don't have all of a sudden there was some, shock value. It really kind of supports the fact that it wasn't heat of passion, because he wasn't surprised and this didn't happen, and he went back and came back. I think that video is extremely damaging to the defense.
This is the first time I think I've seen when you have law enforcement who serves in some type of undercover capacity, in other cases testify on camera but wearing a mask. I've seen sometimes them opting out, not wanting to be on camera to protect themselves and others. But what did you think of the fact this is what the jury is watching, this gentleman in a mask?
I agree with Jeffrey. I was thinking the whole time, shouldn't they cover his eyes? It is unusual. I haven't seen this either. But I'm wondering if the jury's going to think that what he is saying is, very important, and he's more official because he got this promotion, which it appears, and, and they're trying to protect him and that he knows what he's doing. So that may be their takeaway in this, but I don't know how safe he is now that this has been, all over the place nationally.